Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Aras. Today my subject teacher Ajay sir teach me about this chapter coal and petroleum and he is a good explainer. So today I will tell you about this chapter coal and petroleum. We start from here to understand the natural resources. We say to understand the natural resources most of the people don't know that the resources obtained from nature are called natural resources. Next topic we have renewable natural resources. Renewable natural resources are that resources that cannot be finished, that are unlimited. There are example are air, sunlight, and water. And the second our has topic is non-renewable natural resources. That we say non-renewable natural resources are that resources that are limited in nature. Like we have coal and petroleum, fuels, fossil fuels, and coals. Fuels that most of the people don't know what is fuels. So any substance is used for burning that is called fuels. And we have the fossil fuels. Fossil fuels that most of the people don't know. Before billions of years there were dinosaurs that get trapped when meteor blow on earth. So that we can say fossil fuel is a fuel of dinosaurs. Third we have the coal. Coal is get by mining. Coal are get by burning of wood. Formation of coal, that how coal make in the previous this sentence we say that coal is made by burning of wood. This topic covered. Then we have the types of coal. There are anthracite, bituminous, and luminous. And we have anthracite has a 92 to 98% carbon rate, and there is a bituminous has a 65% rate of carbon rate, and the luminous have 35% rate of carbon rate, the less rate. And destructive deletion of coal, that how coal destruct, that we have the small bombs like not for nucleus. So when it is put on the mines, so it blow up. So we this is the destructive deletion of coal. Uses of coal, that what is the use of coal in the 90s. We have the coal uses, that coal that the train is run by full of fuel of coal. That in the 2 days we have the anything is used for burning, that we was burning anything, the coal is used in their things. And the third topic is we have the petroleum. There is a heading formation of petroleum, that how petroleum make, that we say that petroleum is also a fossil fuel. That I will say that from dinosaurs we have get the petroleum in the before billions of years dinosaur get trapped in the earth's surface. Then we have the extraction of petroleum, that how petroleum extract petroleum, that we cannot get petroleum from anywhere. Petroleum is extract from a limited area, like we have the Dubai and Saudi Arabia, that extracts of petroleum. And third, petroleum extract from many big machines. And the third, refining of petroleum, that we can't use petroleum, like roughly we have to refine it at 1000 degrees Celsius to use it. And we have the natural gas. I tell you that what is the natural gas, so I don't think I say it again. Uses of natural gas, that we say that uses of natural gas, we have the carbon dioxide and CNG is used in nowadays in vehicles. And we have the last heading is conversation of fossil fuels energy harmful effect of the excessive use of fossil fuels. That we say what is the harmful effect of use of fossil fuel. In the fossil fuel we have the petroleum, coal, that when petroleum burns at 1000 degree it gets pollution, so it is a harmful effect. And same process of coal, so it is also harmful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe my channel.